Yeah.
quicker, so that will change the tides, I think.
Well, Crumbles had the upper hand anyway, really, didn't she?
She kept
I'd say.
like sort of putting.
Why have you got these hormones?
Why have you come
I
round to
think
see
it's
us,
just a
Charlotte?
dominance thing.
Puppy watch.
Puppy watch.
Can we keep our puppy, or are you taking the puppy away?
They really don't want the puppy.
I'll tell you what, how about we pay you to take the puppy away? How's that sound?
Arthur! The mate comes round the side way. Arthur, where?
She's actually truly a sister, isn't she? Just she's absolutely wicked.
Happy New Year.
I can't believe.
It's gone. Oh, you're there. Yeah. Happy New Year.
New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. It's a bit early. Happy New Year.
Emotions.
I'm getting some footage, you see, and I should be able to cut this into a mini movie.
You're pointing my hand to it.
New Year. Happy 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 New Year.